change of plan. I think we'll stay here today and our friends are going to come to us. Well, it's definitely not a nice day today, so it might be an editing one. Be cool to see some lightning though. I mean, I guess there are worse realities to have to deal with. So it's a bit of a wetter day today, but Rob and I need to edit. So working on one of the videos at the moment, and I can see that my washing is currently drying in the rain. So our friends, never mind, false alarm. That's not who we were looking for. Hey, they found us. There we go. All tucked in. Teams together.
Sometimes, without any filters.
I got the group back together. Myself, Rob, Greg and Lou. Last day on the campsite. It's about 6:30 in the morning, a bit worse for wear. As Greg and Lou got here last night, we had a few too many drinks. But at least there's a nice strong breeze this morning, waking up a little bit. Have I done van life properly now? Expandable hoses once again to the rescue. Time to say goodbye to this campsite. Well, that's us left the campsite, and today we are heading inland into a national park a little bit further north. So at the minute I've got Rob in front of me leading the convoy, and I've got Greg Virgo behind me. I still can't quite get over how different the Adriatic part of Croatia is from the inland area. Absolutely stunning. It is unbelievably windy. well, nice that we've now driven through the mountain and there is basically no wind, it's still on the other side. Glad that's over, that was yeah, quite stressful. Oh, the windiest I've ever had it. Well, the terrain has changed again. Of Rob leading, me in the middle, and Lou and Greg Virgo in the van behind me. We're going to go meet up with some more friends today. Seems all the van lifers I know from the UK are out and about in Europe in the same areas.
Turn right.
Turn right. So today we are at Plitvice National Park in Croatia. Probably not how it's pronounced, but it's famous for its waterfalls and it's absolutely beautiful. And today we're with Robin, Archie and Greg and Lou. Yeah, it's just lovely. Taking a photo. Wow, this is an interesting set of steps. Into the cave. I'm inside the cave. I can't see any bats, but there are lots of spiders. Lots and lots of spiders. And all the limestone sort of forms these pools or these like terraces, all different water levels, but it's all crystal clear, and then you can see all the calcification going on with all the trees sort of what I call petrified, but they've sort of turned to stone from calcium build-up. Team's rolling into the campsite. The Wandering Wheelies have joined us as well. Well, today's our last day in Croatia, so we're going to head to Slovenia today. And now the convoy's going again. We've got myself, Rob, Marchi and me, Greg, Virgo and Lou, and now the Wandering Wheelies as well. We're going to convoy up to Slovenia, and I think we're going to go for a ski jumping centre to have a park up in.